How to stop chat backup in WhatsApp in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the WhatsApp Communities page. Communities bring members together in topic-based groups. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings on the right corner. Scroll down and go to Chats. Then, tap on Chat Backup. Over here, you can view and manage your WhatsApp chat backup settings. As you can see, you can view the progress of the backup as well. Now, tap on Auto Backup as shown. Here, you can choose how often you want to back up your chats. Select Off if you want to disable or stop the backup. Following these steps, you can easily stop chat backup in WhatsApp in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.